I'm with Seed System Solutions, and in this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up a scheduled action or report. If you do not see any of the menu options referenced in this video, please contact an admin user within your organization for assistance. If this is the first scheduled report or action that has been set up for your organization, there may need to be a few background pieces set up to ensure the process is working correctly. Please have your admin associate contact us via the contact email found at the end of this video for assistance. From your main menu, select System Settings and then Scheduled Actions. Then in your hamburger menu, select New. It will default to report as this is the most common. However, you do also have the option for transaction. In your list, if we've set up a unique script for you, you may see a script option. However, those have to be set up by Seed System Solution representatives. So from Report, you're going to see a list of reports that you guys have saved as an option. Please note that these will only send with the default sort. If any of these reports have a custom sort on it, it will not carry through that custom sort, unfortunately, for the PDF that is sent via email. So select your saved report, and then you're going to click into the emails box. Here you're going to see a list of customer emails, vendor emails, sales rep emails, or user emails. So you can select any of these options to send the email to. Please note the more users that you have on an email, the more users it does take up on your email settings. Sometimes some companies or email companies limit the amount of emails that can be sent within a specific time period. Once you've selected your email addresses to send the emails to, then you can select the subject and message lines. This will build your subject, or this will be what is carried through as your subject and your message on the email that is sent. You can then close the box once you've entered that information. To set up a saved transaction, you're going to press New. You're going to select Transaction from the type. Then you will see a list of transactions that you have created. Once you've set this up, you do need to select your vendor for bills or vendor credit memos that this bill will be created for. The next step in setting up a scheduled action or a report is to set your schedule. And to do that, you're going to click under the schedule box where it says no schedule currently. You do have to select repeat in order for this to run on a recurring basis. Next, you would set your length of term as well as how the frequency of the term and the length. So if you select days, you can enter between 1 and 7. So that would send every 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, etc. Weeks can be every 1 week up to every 4 weeks that it would send. Or honestly, up to any 52 weeks, because you could send it once every 26 weeks, which would be half a year. In addition, you can do months. So how many months in between sends? If you're going to select the months, you do need to select which day that you're going to send it on. And finally, for years, you would need to select the month and date that this would send. We do recommend setting your from date on as of the last date that this would have sent. So this would be January 1st of 2024 or 2025 in order to send on the next January 1st. The only send on can be left as all of the days selected unless you are sending it on a specific day of the week. So if you only want this to send on Mondays, you would select every 1 week and then you would only have Mondays set. Based on your selection, you should see the next date that it will run. If your next date doesn't appear to be calculating correctly, try and change your start or your from date to a date that would be the date before this would have run previously. And then press close. We do set up a script on our server that will run these reports once every day, close to right after midnight. So the date does need to be on the day that it will run. So if it's a Monday, you would select that date as a Monday. We run the script at just past 12:01, and then those reports are going to send out once a day. If you have issues and you needed it to resend and re-trigger the next night, you can come in here and change your last run date to a day that happens before this date. And you can see your next run will change back. As long as that date has not passed yet, this report will re-trigger to run on the next run set. If you're having any other issues and not receiving your reports, please send a message to our support information. For assistance, as there could be a problem at the server level, the email level, or the report level, so we can assist you in troubleshooting as to why these reports or transactions are not running properly. Something we also do at Seed System Solution is build custom reports or custom filter and sort options. So if the report that you're running needs to have custom sort options, we would build a script and set that script up to run. Again, you can contact us through the support information in order to submit those requests. If you have any questions about Seed System Solution, please reference our other training videos, email us at grow@seedsystems.co, or register for one of our free monthly Seed System support Zoom meetings.